Let's talk about lunar craters, the record keepers of our solar system. So the surface of our moon is absolutely covered in thousands, if not millions of craters from asteroid, comet, meteor and meteoroid impacts over billions of years. But most of these craters actually formed around one specific time in early solar system history. Now, the moon keeps a fantastic geologic record of impact craters because there is no atmosphere, there's no weather, there's no wind, there is no erosion, so every single crater on the surface is completely preserved from the day it was created. The only reason why we may not see some craters is because some of them have been filled in by lava flows that came much later. Check the previous video out for that. But for the most part, you will see craters upon craters upon craters all over the surface, basically recording this incredible history over 4 billion years. And most of this crater history is actually preserved on the far side of our moon. This is our area called the lunar highlands, and it's where most of the small craters are actually found and are more easily preserved, because on the near side a lot of the larger impact basins have been filled in with those lava flows. But there is a period in Earth's history where it would have been hell to have been on the lunar surface, or probably anywhere on Earth for that matter as well. This was called the Late Heavy Bombardment Period, around 4 billion years ago, when there was an extremely high amount of asteroid activity within the solar system. Now, the planets in our solar system have not always been in the same place, and there used to be more planets than there actually are. Some of them got knocked out of orbit, some of them got completely destroyed until we settled into the solar system as we know it today. But during those massive planetary shifts, gravity and the impact of gravity was all over the place. So asteroids could be sent flying out of orbit by planetary collisions early on in Earth's history. So this late heavy bombardment period around 4 billion years ago is thought to have sent a ton of asteroids hurtling over to the inner part of the solar system and around Earth. And so the Earth and the moon just got absolutely pummeled by asteroids all over the surface. And that's what most of these craters are actually attributed to. As I said, we don't really see this kind of record on the Earth because we have erosion, we have weather, we have plate tectonics that's recycling the Earth's crust hundreds of millions of years at a time. So we don't have this record of impact craters from 4 billion years ago. In fact, there are very few rocks that are actually that old. So the moon is a fantastic window into early history in the solar system. If you want to learn more about this, go and check out more information about the late heavy bombardment period and impact basins and craters over the moon's surface.